Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the SpareBank 1 account locked. First, this usually happens after entering the wrong details, the login details multiple times. So, wait for a few minutes and then try again with the correct information. Now, if you've forgotten your password or PIN, use the reset password option in the app or online banking to create a new one. Then make sure to enter your login details carefully to avoid repeated logouts. Now, if your account is still locked, you'll need to contact the SpareBank 1 customer support. They may ask you to verify your identity before unlocking your account. Avoid repeated failed login attempts as this can extend the lock period. That's how you fix the SpareBank 1 account lock. Subscribe for more simple and helpful